How to determining the potential for lightning damage. Lightning bolts and electronics do not play well together. Natural disasters can cause major accidents in facilities, and they can lead to the release of hazardous materials, which in turn can result in fires, explosions, or toxic dispersion. Lightning strikes are the most frequent cause of major accidents triggered by natural events. Lightning damage is incurred by immediate ignition, electrical and electronic systems failure, or structural damage with subsequent release. A direct strike of lightning to equipment will generally result in catastrophic loss and fire, as the extremely powerful nature of lightning results in extraordinarily high levels of heat, essentially melting the equipment components themselves and producing fire that may spread to neighboring components. Secondary effect of lightning strike. A strike to the power lines which connect directly to the equipment will produce a transient or a short energy burst that is induced upon power, data, or communication lines. Transients are characterized by extremely high voltages that can drive tremendous amounts of current into an electrical circuit for a few millionths, up to a few thousandths of a second. Determining the potential for lightning damage. 4 factors are important in assessing the threat of lightning damage to a plant or facility: frequency and severity of lightning storms, vulnerability of existing and proposed instrumentation, exposure of systems wiring to possible lightning strikes, potential harmful impact of instrument failure on the process. Comparing the above factors to the costs of not protecting electronic equipment will help you decide if protection is beneficial. Minimizing lightning damage. One of the simplest methods to prevent lightning damage is to install a lightning protection system. The next strategy organizations can use to avoid lightning damage is by installing industrial-level surge protection systems at critical spots along the power transmission line. Lightning Eliminators is a one-stop shop for lightning safety products. We have 3 individual product lines that can be integrated together for a comprehensive lightning protection system. Our dedicated team of industrial experts are ready to evaluate, recommend, and install highly effective lightning protection equipment to protect you from lightning damage. Contact us today for more information. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email info@leckglobal.com. Contact number 303-447-2828. Website: https://www.lightningprotection.com/. Social media links: https://www.facebook.com/lightning-eliminators/ https://twitter.com/lightningprotect https://www.linkedin.com/company/206536 https://www.youtube.com/user/lightning eliminators